Sagittarius. This is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Sagittarius, this is your channel song. Where could it be? Must be somebody out there for me. Buju Banton need it desperately, yeah? I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, not what you want me to be. Can you love me for me? Real love, with no strings attached. I wanna give you my heart, don't wanna take it back and dissert my chat. Oh, been searching a long, long time for that oh so true love. The comfort is hard to find. No pretending, stop wasting my time. A virtuous man is really hard to find. I'm telling you, baby, I'm only human, not looking for impossibility. Just a genuine man with sincerity, someone who will always dare to hold me. Show me you care up front and boldly, don't shun my feelings. All the positive meanings in the morning, noon or season. I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, not what you want me to be. Can you love me for me? Real love, with no strings attached. I wanna give you my heart, don't want to hold it back. Now every Sagittarius, how you treat him in this way? You're 20? You're 20, Sagittarius? You're 20? Como estas, baby girl? Don't call me your fucking baby girl, not your fucking Spanish teacher. Don't fucking call me that. It's okay, baby girl. Nobody has to know. Hola. Hola, como estas? Okay. Yes, I'm getting Sagittarius. You want to be loved, right? For who you think you are, not who them want you to be. They have to love you for you. Real love with no strings attached. That's when you know it's real. If the love is real, there's no strings attached. If the love is real, they'll love you for you. They'll never try to change you. If the love is real, then they'll accept you as you are, just like how the house of the Lord accept you as you come. They'll not tell you to marry them, and you have to be more submissive. You have to dress this way. You have to cover up. That's not real love. That's arrangement. So both parties don't feel lonely. If it's real love, believe me, everything is flowing naturally. So again, Sagittarius, if you're considering making me your girlfriend, just know I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am or what people told you I am. I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, nor what you want me to be. You have to love me for me, real love, with no strings attached. I wanna give you my heart, don't wanna take it back. Alright? So unless you plan to accept somebody for who they are, I don't see why you're bothering them to change. You know how hard it is for people for change? People go to church to try for change. People go psychiatrists try for change. People go on medication to change. But you meet this person and you want them to change, all of a sudden just to appease to you. That's not real love. Let's see what your overall message is. We have the Four of Pentacles. I'm getting hold on to everything you have. Hold on to your morals. Hold on to your accent if you have one. Hold on to everything that made you you. Before people start telling you you're not supposed to do that. Don't talk like this. Fix this. Before anybody told you that, remember who you were. Hold on to your morals. Hold on to why if you come from a foreign country or you're leaving to go to a foreign country, hold on to the traditions that you learn. That's why a lot of us come to foreign country and we lose ourselves because we don't remember where we come from. You don't remember the learning, the discipline, the morals where you do it. Just because you're in a Rome, you want to do like the Romans do, I'll be fucking damned if I'm doing what the Romans are doing. Make it think, hold on to it. You want to be loved for who you are. Don't pretend to be lovable. Don't try to be what somebody wants you to be, or you try to be the most extroverted, lovable, funny, sexiest person. That ain't gonna get you love. It's gonna get you to crash, and it's gonna get you to put a mask on. So I'm getting, if somebody cannot accept you in the Four of Pentacles, then they should leave you the fuck alone. Because it wasn't genuine anyways. So love me for me and not my money. Love me for me and not the talents I have.
Love me for me and what experiences have shaped me into the person I am. No, you're telling me you want me erase 31 years of me growing up because I meet you 2 months ago. So I have to stop this, stop that, can't this anymore, can't that, stop, change this belief. 31 years you want me erase for one blood clot dick. You're crazy? Yeah, we have the strength card. Yeah, that's not how you do it. You hold on to what you have. And people are going to make you feel insecure. People are going to tell you to change. People are going to intimidate you. People are going to scare you. People are going to leave you out. All the well. Somebody going to pressure you, change, gain weight, lose weight. How can I scare her? If you did moan in bed, we probably wouldn't even have this problem. You know, that's probably if you were a moaner in bed, she'd probably have something to say to you, but because you're just yelling at her for fucking nothing, she has nothing to say to you. Yeah, the death card, it's done, it's dead. Something dead, it's changed, it's over, or I'm getting you change. Is either you change back to, or you change from to. So love me for who you, not for who you think I am. You want me change, for fucking what? For appease you, why don't you just be with a girl who is already comfortable around where you want? I don't understand. Or me getting you're saying to yourself, that's the last time I would ever change for a man. Don't change for a man, sweetie. You think Sukiana man is asking Sukiana for change? You think Sukiana man tell her to cover up? You think he's telling her, yo, you need to be more submissive? You think Sukiana man is telling her that? He is not. The only thing he's telling her is she's the only woman he ever wants to be with for the rest of his life. That is what Sukiana man is telling her. So I don't know why your blood clot religious man tell you. I don't know what your religious man tell you when Sukiana man tell her says she's the only woman he will only dream of. What the fuck, right? We have the magician, we have the star card, and we have the hermit. Maybe that's why somebody want you to change. That's why somebody want to love you, not for who you are. They want to love you into what them can create it to be. They want to be, you know, we can make a great power couple. When we hear a man say that, we run far from them. If a man said to me, we could have been a great power couple. How about this? You want to be in Hollywood? Oh, I see. I never know you had talent. Where was your talent trying to get me? Because obviously your talent was lacking there. But you still got me at the end of the day because you won the competition after it happened for how much weeks. But with the talent you used to get me, surely you cannot want to be on a red carpet. Power couple goals, power couple, and that they more. You are the one who bring the whole relationship. You're the famous one and then they're with you and say, oh, couple goals. Power couple, remember him that don't need, you know, are you know? You are the star, you're the celebrity. Him just beside you on the red carpet right before you did the show. Couple goals, whoa, such a power couple. What the fuck did he do? Nothing. He was loyal to you, he was supposed to do that. Oh, I just love my boyfriend. He's so kind to me and loyal and he treats me so good. He's supposed to be doing that, bitch. That's how the man them fuck up with so much. What we're supposed to be expecting in a relationship is now the criteria of being in a relationship. I want someone who will love me, who will compliment me, who is monogamous and who won't cheat on me. That's what you're supposed to be getting. Why are you asking for the bare minimum? The bare minimum is not cheating on you. But when you have broken down these women and you depatronize them and you love them for who you want them to be, and you did not make the man love you for who you was. See, had my husband loved me for what I was, I would be in Quebec, parler français, but he wanted me to be something else. And I could not. I say, how am I going to leave Jamaica to be one of those boring bitches in Quebec? My husband never even married a bitch in Quebec, so why the fuck may I come to Quebec and be a Quebec boring bitch? No, so that's why I am divorced. Right, so you have to say it. You might talk about couple goals, power couple goals. Girl, run. You is a mannequin doll, and you dress up as so I'm gonna dress up beside the car. I want other bitches to follow him up. So I'm getting somebody who want you change, or they might say you want to be a star, you have to change. Change how you look, change your hair, change your clothes, just change. Let me ask you something. How much time a day is you change your pad? Talking about fucking change. Change your hair, it's more marketable. But your pussy not marketable with all that blood inside of it. that you never change your pad. How much time a day you change your pad? 1 time a day, don't. 3 times a day you change your pad, don't. I bet you change your pad 3 times a day. Don't. 3 times a day you change your pad. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. And you just walk around with a pad that you change 3 times a day, don't? You use 3 pads every period cycle. But you're worried about this bitch. You're worried about the wrong things, man. I'm telling you. So maybe that's why somebody want you to change. Because me getting the character you are now, it can attract star quality. It will attract people for recruit you. If you change and blend in and be boring, then you just gonna be someone else's bitch. And I'll be damned. I ain't nobody's bitch. Except IIRC. Okay. We have marriage. I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, nor what you want me to be. You have to love me for me. You can't love me. You can't love me and then say, oh, you know, my friends them don't like this quality about you. Oh, you know, when she's around all of these people, she act a certain way. When me not come from where you come from, did you love me for me, or you love me because you thought I could have been the same boring bitch your ex-boring bitches was? Marriage. So love me for not who you think I am, or not or what you want me to be. You have to love me for me. If you love me for me, I promise the marriage would work. But if you love me for what I can do for you, if you love me for whom I can introduce you to, or if you love me because it looks nice online, get this retarded ass nigga out of here. Get him out. Dumbass nigga running up my motherfucking body count. I could have been sucking a virgin's dick. Get him out. Marriage. Initiation rituals. I am the game. Kill them with kindness and $1 million baby. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.